Welcome to number 5 Savanna Drive in Mooroolbark. This is stunning 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms house combines comfort and lifestyle. My name is Luna Tian.
My name is Andy Zhang and we're from McGrath Estate Agents. We're super excited to bring this one to you today. This home sits just under a generous block of 900 square meters, offers the versatility and the lifestyle that caters to all. With both bathrooms renovated from floor to ceiling, that's certainly one of the bigger ticket items out of the way. Situated just a short stroll away from Chirnside Park Shopping Centre, as well as the cinemas and the locals' favourite dining options, this will certainly heighten your day-to-day lifestyle. For easy CBD access, you're also just a quick bus ride away from Mooroolbark Village and the station. Hope you guys have enjoyed the tour as much as we have.
Looking forward to see you at our inspections.
See you next time.